And that means it could be
headed our direction?
Well, I mean, that one's getting out of here. But, you know, again, we're looking at the possibility of more winter weather by the end of the weekend, guys. And, you know, there's still a lot of snow on the ground in northern Oklahoma. It has led to a cool afternoon. Sunshine out there, kind of some clouds trying to stream back in. But Concho barely got above freezing, despite the fact that we had all that sun all day long, 31 right now. Let me share the satellite radar. What you're seeing in northwest Panhandle and then all of Kansas, that's all snow cover. There are a few clouds kind of streaming past it, but when you don't see the cloud line move there at the edge, that is all snow cover. And it really kept temperatures down in northern Oklahoma today with a brisk north wind going across that snow field. 23 in Alba, 28 in Enid, 32 in Stillwater, just 35 here at Will Rogers, 34 in Edmond. Same thing up in Logan County as we head into Guthrie. Now, believe it or not, western Oklahoma could have a few flakes of snow tomorrow morning as a very weak impulse moves from west to east. Look at this. There's a little bit of snow. That's nothing more than probably light flurries or a dusting at best. This may cross I-35 of the metro mid-morning. Again, I don't anticipate to be much of anything, but don't be surprised. It's a low-end chance to see a few flurries passing by during the late morning hours, and they'll clear out of here for the afternoon. Lows tonight. It'll be cold. We'll have some single-digit lows again up in northern Oklahoma, teens, lower 20s for the rest of us. Then highs for your Saturday. Despite sunshine returning in the afternoon, it'll still be cool. Southwest winds will help things out, but you'll go from the 30s up north with the snow to the 40s and some lower 50s down in southern Oklahoma. So for the metro, clouds in the increase, a very cold evening ahead. Got the heavy jackets handy. Again, a low-end chance for a few flurries even here in Oklahoma City tomorrow morning. Clearing skies, only 35 at noon with a southwest wind. We'll get you up to around 45 degrees, but it's still a very chilly afternoon. Let's fast forward to Sunday. Sunday looks relatively quiet, but by late into the afternoon to the evening, here comes our next storm system. Ahead of it, a round of showers and a few embedded thunderstorms are possible, so we'll start off as liquid. This will roll through I-35, but the cold air is right behind this storm, and the newest model information I've been looking at slows the storm down and drops it further off to the south. That's not good news as far as bringing more winter weather to the state. Notice already by 1 p.m. on Monday, the snow is still back in northwest Oklahoma, and then this will just ride through central and the northern ports of the state. This is a change up from what we've seen. Now, this is just one computer model, okay? There's many that we look at, but I want to give you an idea of some of the possibilities. You're looking at some of these models squeezing out 6, 7, 8 inches of snow in northern Oklahoma with a very tight gradient. Just one here in Oklahoma City. I would say 1 to 3 of the metros possible. I don't want to get into totals yet. Going to still be really digesting all the model information. But on Monday, more snow and potentially heavy snow is likely in the northern part of the state. Keep that in mind. It will also be windy. That means blowing and drifting snow with a light to moderate snow possible across I-40 and the metro. So again, a few flurries possible tomorrow morning with skies clearing in the afternoon. Sunday looks pretty good. We'll run into a chance of a late day shower or thunderstorm, and then that will change over to snow overnight. Heavy snow possible up north, light to moderate in central Oklahoma. Windy conditions. It'll get out of here sometime on Monday, but the models want to keep slowing it up. It means most of Monday will be wintry, and snow accumulations could get even higher up north. It does look like it will dry out and be relatively tranquil after that. And you're up to date with the latest First Alert forecast.